Hello, my love. Welcome to today's math lesson. You guys know that I love math. And today we are doing Analyze Bar Graphs, Part 1. So we're going to analyze them and learn more about bar graphs. This picture right here is a bar graph. And the title of this bar graph is Hair Color. So let's go to the lesson and find out more. By the end of this lesson, you're going to be able to say, I can draw conclusions and answer questions based on bar graphs. But before that, do the mental math. Try to do it in less than 1 minute. You have to find which difference is less than 25. So which of these is going to give you less than 35? Let's review. Now, before we learned that the bar graph it could look different. Some of them are horizontal, some of them are vertical. Remember that? Great. A bar graph needs to have a title. So the title of these bar graphs is Favorite Breakfast Food. They asked people around about their favorite breakfast food between toast, cereal, and eggs. And this is the amount of votes that they collected. So it shows that 5 plus 4 plus 2. How much is the total of people that voted? Can you tell me? Yes, excellent. 11 people voted for their favorite breakfast food. So now with this information right here, which is the data, we are going to fill in the bar graphs. We can do it either horizontally or vertically. Now, as I said, every bar graph needs to have a title. It needs the numbers of the amount of votes that each item got. And in this case, we are voting between toast, cereal, and eggs. So this is what a bar graph is. Let's read this caption. It says, a bar graph uses bars to show data. To make a bar graph, color one box for each vote. Bar graphs can look different. So this is one way and this is another way. Now I need you to go to YouTube and copy and paste this link. Watch it carefully and then come back to the lesson. So let's see. This is the problem of the day. Let's first just review these 2 points. A graph. What is a graph? It's a diagram that is meant to represent data. What is data analysis? It's a processing of data to find useful information. So analysis is a processing, means that we study it and we find out answers for questions by looking at a graph. Now let's look at this problem here. Owen, which is a boy, surveyed his class about their favorite ice cream flavors. Then he made a bar graph to show the data. Now, what should be the title? It's right here, favorite ice cream flavors, just as the problem said. He asked people to vote between chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and mint. And then he got all this information, all this data. So now he's going to use this information to make his bar graph. Which is your favorite ice cream? Mine is strawberry. Alright, so let's see. For chocolate, he got 7, and he colored 1 box for each vote. Now let's see vanilla. How many votes do you see for vanilla? 1, 2, 3. So we have to color 1, 2, 3 for vanilla. Now let's see strawberry. Just by looking at that tally What do you see? Just by looking at it, immediately you have to say this is 5. We don't need to count one by one. We need to know by now that this means 5. So 5 strawberry. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, you need to color better than me. Don't go out of the line. Alright, and then we have mint. Who likes mint? Do you like mint? I actually don't, but many people do. So 6 people like mint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 people liked mint. Now that we have this data, all this information, we can do our data analysis. So with this, we can find out useful information. So the first question says, Owen surveyed how many classmates? So what do we need to do? We need to add them all up. And we come up that 21 classmates voted. Excuse me. Now, use the bar graph above to complete the sentences. So this is the bar graph we are still using. Number 1 says the flavor with the least votes. Least means the one that they don't like the most, they don't like it much. Vanilla with only 3 votes. Chocolate received 2 more votes than who? It says here strawberry. Let's see. Chocolate had 7 and strawberry had 5. And we know that between 5 and 7 is 2. 1, 2. So chocolate received 2 more votes than strawberry. And number 3 says, what two flavors did a total of 11 students? Okay, so we have to find 2 of these that add up to 11. Can we add chocolate and vanilla? Will we get 11? Chocolate is 7, vanilla is 3. So 7 plus 3 will give us 10. So now we are looking for 11. It says here mint and strawberry. Let's check. Strawberry has 5 and mint has 6. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. That's why mint and strawberry make up for 11 students. So that's the thing. How do you do data analysis? You have to think and you have to find all the information that you need from the bar graph. So now we've reached the task options. We have task number 1 or task number 2. You have to complete 1. You can go and solve page 555 in your math book volume 2. Or you can choose to do page 557 in your book. And for closure, go to this link and play the game about analyze bar graphs. And if you have this application in your iPad, then choose this game for today. Which bar graph is correct? Thank you so much, and follow the instructions for each task, answer them, and then upload your answers in your portfolio in Class Dojo. Bye bye!